Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to turn on or off the shadow on the text in the Netflix application. So let's get started. Open the Netflix application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Netflix application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile where it says My Netflix and then click on it. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for 3 lines and click on them. Clicking on those 3 lines will open a small window with the offered options, and we will select Manage Profiles and click on it. The applications will open a new page where you can choose which profile you want to enable or disable the shadow on the text. By selecting the profile, you just have to click on it. The next thing you will do is look for the subtitle appearance option in the drop-down menu and click on it. Also, on the next page, you will go down to the Text Edge Style option and click on the right side of that field. Then you have to choose the None option and then click on Save at the bottom of the screen. And that's it! Your subtitles will now display exactly how you've customized them. And there it is. Whether you prefer subtitles with or without shadow, this quick guide makes it easy to customize the appearance of text on Netflix. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.